Hello kids, let's learn shapes with names. Let's start. Yellow color. Circle. This is circle shape. Circle. Pink color. Semicircle. This is semicircle shape. Orange color. This is oval shape. Oval. And the color is orange. Blue color. This is triangle shape. Triangle shape. This is triangle shape. Purple color. This is heart shape. Heart shape. And the color is purple. Light pink color. This is square shape. Square shape. Green color. This is diamond shape. Diamond shape. Brown color. This is rectangle shape. Rectangle shape. Blue color. This is trapezoid shape. Trapezoid shape. This is trapezoid shape. Trapezoid shape. Red color. This is star shape. This is star shape. This is dark blue color. Pentagon shape. Pentagon shape. This is light purple color. And the shape is hexagon. Hexagon shape. Yellow color. This is octagon shape. Octagon shape. Bye bye kids. Thanks for watching.